Types of fractions. First one is like fractions. Fractions with same denominator are known as like fractions. For example, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Here both of them have the same denominator 7. So they come under the category of like fractions. Second one is unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are known as unlike fractions. For example, 4 by 5, 7 by 11. Here both of them have different denominators. It is 5 over here, it is 11 over here. So both of them are the examples of unlike fractions. Third one is proper fractions. Those fractions in which numerator is less than denominator, they are known as proper fractions. For example, 1 by 2. In this case, the numerator is 1, which is smaller than the denominator, that is 2. Similarly, we can write other examples when numerator is small than the denominator. 2 by 3, 5 by 9. These are the examples of proper fractions. Fourth one is improper fractions. The fractions in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. They are known as improper fractions. For example, 5 by 2. In this case, the numerator is 5, which is greater than the denominator 2. So this is the example of improper fraction. Similarly, I can write one more example like 7 by 3. Here the numerator 7 is greater than the denominator 3. Another one, 2 by 2. In this case, both the numerator and denominator are equal. So this is also an example of improper fractions. Fifth one is unit fraction. Fractions with numerator 1 are known as unit fractions. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 7. In both these cases, the numerator is 1. So they are examples of unit fractions. Sixth one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction has two parts. The first one is the whole number, and this whole number is also known as the integral part. And the second part is the proper fraction, and which is also known as the fractional part. For example, if I write 4, 1 by 5, in this case, 4 is the whole number, and it is also known as the integral part of the mixed fraction. And 1 by 5 is the fractional part of the mixed fraction. So this whole 4, 1 by 5 is an example of mixed fraction. Similarly, I can write one more example like 2, 1 by 2, where this 2 is the integral part and 1 by 2 is the fractional part. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos.